Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy watching and want more, go ahead and subscribe. I keep things simple, helpful, and easy to understand. Let's jump in.
You're looking to reactivate your Gmail account. The process depends on why it's inactive. If you simply haven't logged in for a while, the solution is straightforward. Just go to gmail.com and attempt to sign in. Enter your full Gmail address and then your password. If you've forgotten your password, click the Forgot Password link. Google will guide you through a series of verification steps, often using a recovery phone number or alternate email address linked to your account. Follow these prompts precisely to regain access. This is the most common way to reactivate an account that has merely been dormant. However, if you personally deleted your Gmail account recently, there's a limited window to recover it. This window typically lasts around 20 to 30 days from the deletion date. To try and reactivate a recently deleted account, navigate directly to accounts.google.com/signin/recovery. When asked, enter your full Gmail address. Google will then present you with questions to confirm your identity. Answer these questions as accurately as you can. If your recovery attempt is successful, you will be prompted to create a new password, and your account will be restored. It's crucial to act quickly, because once that recovery period expires, the account and all its data are permanently deleted and cannot be brought back. If your account was disabled by Google due to a violation of their terms, reactivation is a much more complex process, often requiring a formal appeal directly through Google's support channels.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.